Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. Thank you for watching. Today we are reviewing the San Francisco Rent Board's Fact Sheet 7 and going through the specific examples or scenarios within that fact sheet. Of course, we're using the California and San Francisco's allowable rent increase calculator to make the calculations of these examples extremely simple and manageable. Let's review example number 4. We have it on the left-hand side of the screen. Tenant moved in on June 1st, 2000, and the landlord wants to raise rent as of December 1st, 2009. There's been multiple years where the landlord has not raised rents, and of course in San Francisco, the landlord is allowed to bank those. There is one exception. He raised rent June 1st, 2002. So without further ado, let's start calculating this. You go to the widget. You put in who you are. Of course, this is San Francisco. You can see we service all of California as well as specific cities within California. This is a rent-controlled property. The current rent is $1,027. Now, this was increased because in 2002 he actually raised rent, so we use that number. The last increase, this was of course when they moved in. It may be counterintuitive that the last increase is not the actual date that the landlord raised rent, but because he skipped a year, you have to go back to the beginning, and I'll show you how to work around that. The date of this increase is December 1st, 2009. So we have that included here. We go agree. Now it says 15.5% increase. We're going to be modifying that by going to the full report. We're going to enter the address of the property. If you use the commas, then you can use this for future reports. Again, as an orientation, you can email, print. This is where you change the values if so needed. But let's go into the actual itemization. This is a year-by-year list of the rate and then the dollar increase and any banked amount that is remaining. You can see that we've actually itemized, the calculator itemizes which line is banked or not banked. Now, since the landlord's already increased rent June 1st, 2002, we're just going to eliminate by this line by hitting that X. And as such, you can see that then our numbers of the calculators matches the rent board's numbers. You can see banked percent, as is banked percent here. And you can see a total increase of 12.8, which is also allowed. Again, with this calculator, you can modify the particular results if you want to save banked increases for later. Some landlords, if they only have 30 days to give a notice, will actually decrease the total increase by 2.8% and then give that increase later. Again, you have the flexibility to do as you wish with this calculator. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the calculator and how it functions, please email us at service@relisto.com. A lot of these questions may be already answered by using our FAQs. If you need to contact the rent board for specific questions, we have their information below. And we always appreciate you getting a hold of us utilizing some of our social media widgets that we are here on the screen. Again, thank you very much for watching.